Meet Chris Wilson. He's 39 years old. And here's the good news. He has a very short commute these days. Now, here's the bad news.
I know the physical therapist that I'm going to go to, and he said it's a 6-month, twice a week, and it's the longest recovery he treats. So I'm looking forward to that.
What Chris is actually looking forward to is being active again, doing what he used to do as a kid.
I went from soccer to wrestling to, baseball to summer basketball to whatever it was. So
then again, doing what he did as a kid is exactly what sidelined him in the first place.
I served, ball came back, we returned it. I planted my right foot to go to the net, and down I went. It's gone. I could tell that my Achilles was gone.
Chris's surgeon, Dr. Arun Ramappa, has a good idea why it's gone. He's seen quite a few weekend warriors like Chris in his orthopedic practice at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center.
We see all types of injuries in patients of this age group. But you don't have much swelling in you, which is good.
Sports injuries are the #2 reason for doctor visits, just behind the common cold. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, sports injuries among 35 to 54-year-olds increased 33% between 1991 and 1998. Basketball and bicycling sent boomers to the ER more than any other sport. The cost of those injuries, nearly $19 billion.
Unfortunately, a lot of us forget that we're not 15 or 20 or 22 anymore, and we don't take the necessary precautions to help prevent those injuries that might occur.
Those precautions include stretching, not just before exercise, but on a daily basis. Staying well hydrated and well nourished, both before and during physical activity, lessens fatigue and reduces the chance of injury. Daily exercise at any level is more beneficial than vigorous but infrequent activity. Chris Wilson would add that keeping things in perspective helps too.
I told my wife, I said, but I was playing volleyball, and her comment was, yeah, but you were playing like it was the '84 Olympics. And I was like, yeah, probably good point. I'm not working out to look good on the beach. I'm working out because I want to run around with my kids, when I'm 45, 50 years old. So what I've learned is, maybe it's more for the enjoyment versus the competition side of things. I maybe tone it down a little bit, but I'm not so sure I've bought into that.